If you think writing a will is enough to protect your family, you're setting them up for a massive surprise. Max did everything right. He was organized, he put his house, his bank accounts, and his investments clearly in his will, thinking his family was totally safe. But when Max passed away, his family discovered a brutal truth. A will does not transfer ownership automatically. In fact, Max's will just became a one-way ticket to a public, expensive court process called probate. And the worst part? It could have been entirely avoided. Probate is the legal court process that oversees the distribution of your estate. The court steps in, validates the will, and supervises how assets are distributed, making sure debts are handled, documents are reviewed, and procedures are followed correctly. And during that time, assets can effectively be frozen. Bank accounts aren't always accessible, property can't be sold right away, and major decisions require approval. Even simple things can suddenly take time. Weeks turn into months, sometimes longer, especially if paperwork is delayed or the estate becomes more complicated than expected. And along the way, legal fees and court costs start adding up. Money that the family assumed would stay inside the estate. And here's what most people don't expect. This process is often public, which means details about the estate, assets, debts, and distributions can become part of the public record. Information many families assumed would stay private. And at the same time, his family is dealing with something much harder. They're grieving, while handling paperwork, deadlines, and sometimes disagreements, trying to manage legal decisions during one of the most emotional periods of their lives. So while a will tells people where your assets go, it does nothing to make the process easy, or fast, or private. And this is where the real gap shows up. Wealthy families don't just rely on documents, they rely on structure. They build systems designed to make transitions smoother long before anything happens. They use trusts, gifting strategies, and move assets outside their estate ahead of time, so their families aren't left trying to untangle everything later. But most middle-class families take a different path. They keep everything in their own name, create a will, and assume that's enough. And they plan later, instead of earlier, usually believing they still have plenty of time. So the difference isn't income, it's strategy. And the fix usually isn't complicated. For many families, it starts with a revocable living trust, which allows assets to pass directly to your family through the structure you already created beforehand, without court, without delays, and without everything being exposed, giving families more privacy and a much smoother process during a difficult time. But it's not just about having the trust. It's about making sure everything is actually set up correctly. Because many people create the documents, but never fully complete the process. Assets need to be properly titled, meaning they're owned by the trust, not just in your name. Because if your house or accounts are still in your name, they may still go through probate, even if you already created the trust itself. Your accounts also need to be aligned with your plan, so they follow the structure you set up. And beneficiary designations, like retirement accounts and life insurance, don't follow your will. They follow what's listed on the account. So if everything isn't coordinated, it can go in different directions, creating confusion, delays, and outcomes you never intended. But when everything is structured correctly, the system works exactly the way it's supposed to, clearly, privately, and with far less stress on the people you love. Max thought he had a plan, but what his family really needed was a system that actually worked when it mattered most. Which is why it's important to plan early, so when life changes unexpectedly, your family isn't left trying to figure everything out later. The earlier you put a plan in place, the more clarity, protection, and peace of mind you leave behind.